Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's Benedict here again from Jogging and Company Associates, and now I want us to differentiate between cash discount and trade discount. So when we talk about cash, you should understand that we are dealing with payment, and when we talk about trade, it means that we are selling some items, we are selling some goods to customer. So trade discount and cash discount have quite a number of differences listed as below. We are saying here cash discount is allowed to encourage the buyers of the goods to make payment at an early date. So when you want the buyers to make goods, to pay for goods at an early date, we give them cash discount. On the other hand, we are saying trade discount is allowed to encourage buyers to buy goods in large quantity. So we'll tell the buyer that when you buy this certain number of goods, we'll give you this discount. When you increase to this level again, we'll increase the discount to this much. So it's allowed to encourage buyers to buy goods in large quantity. And then the second one, we are saying cash discount is a reduction in the amount payable for payment within a certain period. Is a reduction in the amount payable for payment within a certain period. So here we are telling the customer that instead of paying 100,000 after 30 days, when you come back and pay within 15 days, we'll give you a cash discount of this much. So it is a reduction in amount payable for payment within a certain period. So if the customer was supposed to pay 100,000, and then we tell the customer now you'll be paying us 95,000 when you pay within 15 days of purchase, we'll have reduced the amount payable by the customer. Then on the other side, we are saying trade discount is a reduction in the list price granted the supplier. So we'll be telling the customer that when you buy 15,000 or rather 15,000 items, we'll give you 5%, and then when you buy 20,000 items, we'll give you 10%, and then when you buy maybe 35,000 items, we'll give you 15%. So there will be a reduction in the list price depending on the quantity bought by the customer. And then we are saying it is a reduction in the list price granted by the supplier, either because of trade practice. So maybe that trade practice for us to be giving a trade discount, or purchase exceeding a certain quantity. And then on the third difference, we are saying cash discount is allowed at the time of payment of the purchase. So when you are coming now to purchase, rather when you are coming back to pay what you purchased, and then we are telling you we'll give you this discount when you pay within this period. When you pay within 15 days, we'll give you maybe 5% discount, as opposed to paying full amount when you pay after 30 days. So it is allowed at the time of payment for the purchase. Whereas on this side of the trade discount, we are saying it is allowed at the time of purchase. So when the customer is coming to buy goods, we'll be telling the customer at that point when he's purchasing, that when you purchase 10,000 items of goods, we'll give you 5%, or when you purchase 15,000 items of goods, we'll give you 10%. So it is allowed at the time of purchase. And then the third one here we are saying, or the fourth one we are saying, cash discount does not appear in an invoice. It will not appear in an invoice. Okay. We will have invoiced you So when you're coming back to pay, you know that you're supposed to pay this much. But since you want to enjoy the cash discount, instead of coming to pay after 30 days, you'll come back and pay within 15 days. But the invoice amount at the point of at the time when you're buying, the cash discount will not be appearing in that invoice, because it will come as a condition. When you pay after 30 days, you will pay the whole amount, but when you pay within 15 days, give you a cash discount of 5%. Then on this other side of the trade discount, we are saying it is shown as a deduction in the invoice. So when you buy 10,000 goods, we list the number of goods you bought. Then we are saying now after 10,000, we'll give 5%. If it is 15,000 items, maybe we'll give you 10%. And when it is 35,000 items, maybe we'll give you 15% discount. So it is shown as a deduction in the invoice. So when we are giving you an invoice, we'll also be showing the discount you've been given in regard to the number of items that you bought. And then lastly, we are saying cash discount is maintained in a ledger. So remember in our previous video, when we were doing the entries in the cash book, we had discount allowed and discount received. Of which discount received was income, and we were crediting in the cash book, and discount allowed was an expense, and we were debiting the cash book. So cash discount is maintained in the ledger. So in that cash book, there must be a corresponding folio showing that this cash discount has been entered in this particular ledger. So cash discount must be maintained in the ledger. And then as opposed to trade discount we're saying here, in the ledger there is no trade discount maintained. So when I invoice you, the net amount that you're supposed to pay after knowing the number of quantity that you bought and giving you a discount is what that will be put in the ledger. We will not put the trade discount, but we'll put the total amount in the sales ledger. So those are the 5 differences between trade discount and cash discount, and I hope you guys understood. So I wanted to stop at that, and for those of you who have not subscribed and is joining this channel for the first time, please take a minute or two and click the subscription button. And for those of you who have subscribed, I appreciate you, and thanks so much for your support. And let's continue with gaining the knowledge about accounting. So thanks for watching, and let's meet on the next video.